What is up, guys? Rob here, Bob Evans Classics. We're here in West Virginia. We're looking at this 1968 Pontiac Firebird. It's been sitting in the barn. As you can see, it's got mice droppings all over. It's been sitting in here since 30 plus odd years. Owners pretty much owned it since new. Got a 350 Pontiac under the hood. But it definitely needs to be gone through. We're trying to put a deal together to buy this car. This way we can get it back to the shop, go through it, figure out what it needs. It's a 4-speed car. Originally it's the army green color. Interior is not in bad shape except for the headliner over here. But the car's all there. There's no rust, no rot that we can tell. It's been in here for years. The paint is chipping over here, as you can see. But the rest of it's pretty good. So we're trying to get a deal together now. Made an offer for the car. A client is thinking about it. We'll see what they say. Good morning.
Having all this crap done.
Oh, yeah.
I said I'll be glad when this whole I'm done with this whole.
My name's Rob.
Hi, I'm Becky.
Becky, nice to meet you.
you.
I'm Chris.
Chris.
You mind if we take some videos as we're getting it? You okay, fine with that?
So you found the keys, didn't you?
Yep.
I never got to look in the trunk.
Still, you don't know where nothing's at. Had this car painted. We got married. I don't know if it was 88. I think it was 88.
What year's the title?
They're both 68.
68. But I was wondering what year he got around.
He got it for his, I think, his junior year in high school, and he graduated in 1979.
79?
And it stayed in the garage, and we got married. He conned me into letting me have it painted blue and a new vinyl top on it. And that was going to be his car, and I'd get the new car. Well, we had it painted, and I'll say it's probably seen 50 miles outside in the weather since it's been painted. It's filthy dirty.
Yeah.
Other than that, it was painted and redone. It was beautiful. We took it out a couple times. About 3 years ago, we had it out here running around.
93. When the last time they run it.
Now, you did tell him the wheels on it don't belong to us,
Right.
but I'm going to contact that guy and see if he wants to part with them. If you want me to, I can.
So somebody else owns the wheels?
These wheels, the wheels to it are right there at the side of it.
Oh, okay.
All they have
The guy that took it over to clean it up one year and work on it for us, he was a mechanic. He wanted to drive it over to his house, and of course the tires are bad, and so I'll just throw these tires on.
You know if the engine turns?
Yeah, it turns out.
Does turn?
Tried that the other day. It got real good green antifreeze.
Okay.
Last year you had it run about 3 years ago.
I'm going to say 3 years ago, we had it out on the car.
Oh, okay, so-
Cleaned it up. We, like I said, the guy that put the tires on it, he put the tires on it to drive it to his house because he had a garage before we built this one, and he was working on it. So.
Chris, can we do this?
Ugly as that one is, that thing's her, and I don't care if you buy them or not, and I don't mean that disrespectful. I don't have no reason to lie. I wrecked my car, I hit 3 cows of all things, farmer buildup killed me. Anyway, I had to drive that car for 3 months till the insurance come through and settled. That car ugly, I was so embarrassed,
Did you
but
buy
it
this
wasn't
car
bad. I don't know.
You have to look on
He
the
had
title.
it before I.
Well, I had to look on the title. They were
Yeah.
supposed to have bought new
I don't know if
cars.
the title will tell you that, but I have.
What happened over here?
Where? I have no idea.
That's rusting
No
out.
idea. But that thing purred like a kitten.
What's he got under the hood? 400?
Probably 350.
350, I believe, because the step up is a higher dollar model.
It's a 2-barrel. I'll check that out.
Yeah, the GTOs had the 400 in them.
400.
Yeah.
That's a change.
Trying for years to get him to part the keys in here.
Negotiate deal, you know.
Now, well, how come he didn't want to sell them for years? He was just attached to them, or?
Attachment,
Yeah.
just like the farm.
You guys
I'm
sell?
ready to retire. Excuse me.
You're selling the farm?
Not right now. They put a farmer, this whole area is nothing but farmers. And the guys back here, when their parents died, the family made their one son sell it. He didn't want to, but kind of forced him. And when you get offered millions of dollars, you know what I'm saying?
I used to know the father-in-law,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I worked on this car.
You worked at Connie's.
Yeah.
That's where he bought the car from.
I say it's gotta be at least 50 years ago, right?
I've been married to Bill.
You guys dated in this vehicle?
Yeah, we were dating. We got married in 1989, 88 or 89, yeah. He had the Jeep too. Got that in 79. That's a graduation gift. Yeah.
What's the story with it? Is it rusted?
Story of that? Well, he grew up and he got a real job and he needed a car. That was just, we were in a Jeep club, we used to run around. That's all thanks to his father. Never had,
He bought
so
this-
his dad, we bought this brand new down at
new.
Big Shop. He's like, got the titles to all these cars. He bought that, he got that for graduation. And we ran around, we dated in this one too. And we've been together for a long time, okay? And anyway, it just run around town, no long trips on it. He got the car and then his father took it over and used it here on the farm and he beat it up. I'll leave it at that. His daddy.
This one, this one, I guess go through it. The mice got to it. That was the biggest issue. Carpet.
Mike, I know you don't remember the old 80s Jeep Club.
You could smell it inside.
Leather air horn.
Yeah, the mice got to it, so
The old Jeep, yeah.
So definitely needs to be.
Yeah, they had the old Jeep
Total
too.
gone
He
through.
graduated from this one.
yeah. But all this will clean up real nice.
It's original green, that army green.
Army green.
No.
No, the paint will shine up nice. It looks like. It's just the wiring and stuff got to go through. See what
Yeah.
the mice.
Iron hoses, belts,
Yep.
That's what I told him. Somebody.
Carburetor, gas, fuel tank.
Well, I'll be truthful. And we have somebody else really interested in this.
Okay.
And actually, it's the owner of the development over there. He wants it.
Still got brakes on it.
Got brakes on it?
Yeah, they might have to do the resell, but the hard cut off, I gotta check this one too, maybe.
Well, I got cash today. I'm ready to make a deal, strike a deal.
Which ones are you interested in?
These two, possibly this one, maybe all of them.
I will tell you, I got the top and the doors.
Okay.
And they're in good, to my knowledge, they're in excellent condition. We've replaced them 3 times. They kept getting stolen. Went to college, was coming home, went down Friday night to get the Jeep, had no doors, no top, in the middle of the snow.
This needs a top, needs body work, probably paint.
So we got to
Oh, yeah.
FedEx it to
It's
him
like a
overnight
project.
down in Montgomery, West
You
Virginia,
get,
where he
you
went to
know,
school.
they're nice cars.
No, they are.
It's not like a GTO, but it's got a rare option with the air conditioning convertible.
Yeah, yeah. I saw that when I opened it up.
It needs going all over dash track.
Yeah.
Back in the day.
My problem is now, my mechanic, he's getting close to retiring. And young guys don't want to work on these cars.
Oh, I'll get you.
They don't want to work on carburetor. They want to plug a computer into
Oh,
it.
I know.
So there's only so many projects I can take on.
Right. Like I said, I'm not being rude.
Yeah, yeah, I hear
I
you.
told Mike he's that first offer, and if he's ready to sell him, I'd let him know.
Well, let's start with this car here. What's going to buy this car today?
I will not take no less than 15.
Okay.
It's a little high end.
Yeah.
We just bought one. It's a Chevrolet, and we paid 15 for it. It was all done ready. I can show you pictures of it.
Oh, I believe you, but I've already been offered 15 for it, so I can't take no less than that.
What if I buy all 3? What's the price on all 3 of them? Package deal.
Well, I was asking 30 for all 3 of them.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna take no less.
He told me the other day, making an offer.
Mm-hmm. We talked it over, we discussed it. Like I said, I've already been offered 15 cash up front for this one. I have one guy that really wants it, like I said, I got another guy that said he hasn't. It's not definite, but the other one's definitely definite.
The one that's definite, he's the one that offered you 15?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. I think
What
that
would you offer for it?
10.
I mean, I respect you.
I think 10 cash. I'll be honest with you. I think the paint looks good, but headliner, you're going to have to go through the whole braking system, all fuel system.
I understand that.
I mean, I'm interested in doing a package deal, at least these two, but if you're at 15, and what are you saying on this one?
12.
I mean, 27, it's just,
Way too much for this.
yeah, that car done up is probably worth,
There's the seats, the dash, new top. Well, it's probably $6,000-7,000 to redo this inside.
Absolutely.
yeah.
Tops, probably. All this stuff's outrageous.
Definitely.
Plus we got a
What
transporter.
would be your offer for all three of them? Including the doors and the top for the Jeep.
You're just trying to get the Jeep out of there, is that what it is?
No, I don't
Or
really
you-
have to, it doesn't matter,
Okay.
I've got places I can store it.
What do you think you could sell the Jeep for by itself?
I was gonna try to get at least 3 of it.
Okay. So then that's why you're looking 15 and
Right.
12, I got it.
15, 12, and I mean, it's not like it's going anywhere today if you wanna take a day and think.
No, I came 4 hours away, so
Oh,
I'm out. I got a bunch of stuff I'm looking at today, so I'm looking to make a deal on the spot. I brought 50,000 cash with me. I wasn't sure what you had, but it's got to make sense.
absolutely, and you gotta make money on it, I
Yeah.
understand that.
Costs a lot to ship them.
I totally get it.
Non-runner,
You gotta haul it, I
Probably. How much is a non-runner to get from here back? So probably what, $800?
Yeah.
They need to winch
Where
it
are
up.
you from?
Outskirts of Philly, Bucks County.
What's the lowest you'll offer for the two?
Mike, what do you think this car's worth the way it sits?
This car needs a lot.
I know. See it.
Cut these, to make the car right, to get the right kind of money.
I think it's too much work, honestly.
Yeah, it's just
Cut the
it's
corners
a
here.
project.
Yeah.
Like I said, new top, a lot of stuff you can't even
You just
get.
leave that.
Well, the top alone's 1,500, $2,000 probably.
Yeah.
Where we're at.
Sure, a little more than that.
More, exactly.
$2
And
grand.
a whole new interior.
Right. Tires,
Paint, everything.
paint tires.
Yeah, I think it's
You have to leave that or just bondo it. But
no.
It's gonna be a whole nightmare.
I think this one's salvageable. I think this one's too far gone. Unless somebody wants to make it as a project and just over time, not to make money on it. You know what I'm saying?
I
Somebody that wants to buy it and restore it
Well,
for
I'll
themselves.
tell you what I can do. And I call it straight up.
Yeah,
okay?
me too.
You're not to make money, and I'm not to give things away,
Yep.
okay? I know what it's gonna, I know pretty much, I mean, I know what you're saying. It costs money to fix them up. I'm not that stupid, okay? I know what we've been offered for this one,
Yep.
okay? I know you came today prepared.
Mm-hmm.
I can't say yes today. It's something that I've got to think about, even if you just want that one. You're saying 10 grand, absolutely can't take it.
Okay. So you're
maybe
not willing to make a deal today at all?
Not 10,000 on that. no.
Okay.
But I will tell you, I will get with the other guy that definitely wanted it, and if he still wants it, so.
Well, what buys this
But if
car
he
right now?
doesn't- Huh?
What buys this car right now?
I'm not going no less.
No less. Wow.
And if he doesn't want it, I'll give you the first offer on it. So like I said, we're in no hurry. We're just starting to clean things up and
Yeah.
get rid of it. You know, it's been a year now. We've been getting rid of things.
Hold this, Chris.
And I'm gonna be truthful, my daughter's boyfriend wants it bad, but no, because I know they'll store it in my garage and I don't want it. I'm over it.
68.
68. Yeah.
Both at 68.
I'm trying to check out cost for it.
That's fine.
Is this a true 4-speed car?
I'm pretty sure it is. Look here, man.
Give me 1 second.
Yeah, it's 4-speed car. What's this in here?
We have two good options.
One of those chips here. But that's not too bad. We probably could just put some glue there, you know.
Yeah, he collected
Accessible.
everything. let me tell
Maybe.
you.
What are you saying now?
Paint's pretty nice.
There's-
Torch upgrade.
Mike, did you paint this? Were you the painter?
No.
Went for paint collision?
The biggest thing.
It's hard to tell.
Oh my God, yes.
That'll kill the deal, I
I am
think.
excited.
If there's rot,
There's notorious for rot. They're notorious.
if there's rot, I think it'll kill our cell
Yeah.
if we even try to buy it.
So the floor's the best.
I don't know. I
They're
don't think
shit.
it
The
will.
ones I placed them with.
What you say would kill the deal?
Okay, if we find like rot, like if we bought it, it would just destroy our profit.
You know what it is? It's about what you're gonna find going on with it, you know?
Yeah, oh, I understand that perfectly, yeah.
It's,
Car setting, you don't know.
you're expecting a budget of a certain amount, and
Yeah.
before you know it, it's like, you're upside down.
Yeah, that's true.
The way you're kind of chasing, what's the word?
What?
You're chasing a clown.
He's looking up. You don't even know about the engine, do you? Stuff sets.
What's that?
You don't even know about the engine, because anything sets, it could,
Oh, the engine could be bad.
yeah.
You don't know. There's no way to know.
Nope. The only thing I can tell you is it ran good when we pulled it in here. That's the only thing I can tell you.
Set is the worst thing on a
Oh,
car.
I understand that.
Yeah.
I think the margins are too tight at 15.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure if everything turns out perfect in a perfect world, we don't find any problems, yeah, I think we can make money. But if we run into any problem, there goes everything.
Yeah.
That's why I feel like at 10, I give you enough room. You're saying you already offered 15.
If that changes, I mean, I can contact Mike and let him know, and, hate that we ran down here to look at it.
All right, guys, unfortunately, it was a bust today. We did not buy the Firebird. If you like this episode, please leave me a comment. Let me know your favorite part of it. Subscribe to our channel. We get new classic cars. Hopefully, she gives us a call back. The problem with this was we were competing with somebody that wanted to buy it and fix it for themselves. We are here to make money. We're resellers. We want to get this, turn it into a nice car, and resell it. So we couldn't compete with that. They offered a substantial amount more money. We're second on the list. If they don't buy it, we'll get the car and she'll call us back. So we'll see. Appreciate you checking out our page. We will talk to you guys later. God bless you. Have a great and wonderful day.